Hi guys, very good evening. So people doing great today. So right now, so how I am looking, guys? How I am looking, guys? Tell me. So today actually I had gone to save the cleaned already. So this is my natural look. So guys, I'm very excited today. So today is actually I had gone somewhere actually for the for the something to the work and very important actually meet up someone today. So because actually it was a very super moment and in my life because actually as soon as came my home, so a lot things and cloth and put in my home. So actually I bring to my washroom, and there's the I just ons my washing machine, and then I cleaned my clothes, and after that I came back at home right now. So because actually I put on my freeze in the guava and orange and grapes, so we have eaten with my family. So because I'm very happy right now. So today's a very excited, guys. So we are because actually I'm learn and English improving, and this is my English language and English uh, blog. So these days actually I'm making video on my YouTube channel Speak English with Anil. So guys, you are very interested to learn and improve your English, please you can join this channel. And you haven't subscribed my channel, please keep it subscribe my channel so that you will get notification more videos. And guys, first of all, I would like to say and a very good evening, and it was the very crucial that, and because very happy New Year 2025, and this year's, and it will be super for you guys, and you will get chance for the achievement, and I hope I pray to God, guys, whatever you are thinking in this years, you will find it super, and but you will have to do the hard work and every day. And because guys, education is a very important, guys, very crucial in your every person. The education the most important guide, guys. We should try and more actually I was not able to the more increase education in my life, and because actually my parents had no money, and my situation was very critical in my life, when I live in my village. So and this times actually we are earning the money in Delhi, my family, my wife, my daughter. Actually uh, actually, I am so very sad nowadays, and because actually my father he's no more right now. He's passed away right now. The around uh, it will be completed 1 years and first May. So because actually suddenly I have the so many responsibilities, the caring and family, that, and even then actually 12 hours I'm working, and after that, as soon as I will get chance for the making video on my YouTube. Actually, actually, I am not able to more practice in English, because actually I don't have more time for practice. Whatever I have experience, I am sharing. I share an every video, guys, and please don't say anything else. Actually, the first of all, extremely sorry, guys. Whatever I have experience, I am sharing, and I share in every video, because guys, actually, I don't have more no education, because actually I have only completed the 12th, and so my experience so little bit, which is I'm sharing and to everyone. So guys, I hope you are very very interested with me. I'm so very very excited to all my subscriber, and first of all my subscriber, I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the supporting me. And uh, and today actually 96 subscribers uh, we have received. I'm so very very glad, happy guys. So I hope that you will support always. And please guys, I would like to say that, and because actually I want to become the good speaker, English good speaker, and you will support always, I think. This is my goal is in future. Actually, actually I have determined myself, and because actually I will become a good speaker in my future. This is my goal. Actually, the some people's laughing at me, and some people jealous me, and because actually their people is telling, and his boy is very bad, and because actually he can't speak English in properly, always is telling the wrong words. Actually guys, actually I did not listen anyone, because actually I have promised myself, and because actually once day I will become the good speaker, and you will support always guys. Actually today is a very very sad. Actually suddenly the tears my eye, but actually I did not care anything else. And but even then actually I'm very very happy around this time, so right now. So actually, especially thanks my felt heart, and thank you so much for my subscriber, and thank you, I love you so much. I'm so very very happy guys. So please make sure watch my video until end. I'm so very happy, and I hope that you will get notification, and for my new videos you haven't subscribed my channel, so that you will get notification and soon and every day. Because actually and this year has comes for to everyone, and I hope that you will get chance for the new achievement. And this year's actually I pray to God and protect you always. Whatever you thinking in your future, you will get find it soon. So thank you. So very very happy right now. So guys, I hope that you will support me always. That actually this times actually my throat is very very upset. Actually I drank water is very chilled in this morning today. So because actually so after that making video over completed, and then I will go to the kitchen, and I cook special dish. Actually I don't want to say expose, because actually guys, so first of all, and very crucial and the very importance for you guys, and this is my second channel, Anil Maurya UP42, and you can subscribe. And that channel's only making video these days, and because actually related by the cook, food related, and I am sharing all recipe, and every day I'm sharing, and channel. So please guys support me, and I hope that you will support me always. Thank you so much for the watching, and very very excited. Actually today I ate home right now, so because I'm sitting, actually I'm making video here. So right now, so very very glad, happy, and I just I have eaten the guhava, so suddenly my throat is very very upset. I feel just like, and we will take the medicine right now. So because I'm so very happy right now. So guys, the once again actually I'm glad, happy, and today so very very happy right now. So because actually support me. Actually I want to humble request to all my friends, my subscriber. So please subscribe, and this channel for the learn English, who people want to the learn English and very important. And because actually I'm learning, and these days actually, so guys, actually my English is not good, but even then actually I'm practicing and these days and improving, and I want to become a good speaker in my future, and this is my target. And please support me. Thank you for the watching, and thank you so much all my subscriber. I love you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.